Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So guys, now I'm going to talk about Jenkins. So entire day we are going to spend time with Jenkins. So now let's get started. So first question is, what is Jenkins? What is Jenkins? Uh, what is Jenkins? So here when we say Jenkins, we all say Jenkins is a CI tool. Yeah, it's a CI tool. Now what is the CI stand for? Continuous
Integration.
integration. Now, but the question is, okay, fine. What is continuous integration? That I don't know. So if you want to understand continuous integration or CI, you have to understand what we do in SDLC cycle. Most of the time what we do typically. So guys, we do the planning, we do the coding, we do the analyze source code analysis. Just now we did it, right? Analyze. And after that we do what? Build. After that building, what we do? Package unit testing, right? Unit testing. After that what we do? We package software. After that what we do? We archive. After that what we do? Deploy to QA server. After that what we do? Archive and deploy to QA server, and then acceptance testing. After that what we do? Code coverage. And after this, guys, what happens? All past release. If one failed, repeat. Correct now? This is what we do. So you must be wondering, okay, fine, but what is CI? That I know that we do all this stuff. What is CI? So guys, first find out what are the tools often we use for each of these activities. So for the planning, you may be using Jira. I think I heard you guys are using Trello, right? Correct? Or something else? Which
Rally
tool you?
friends.
Rally.
Rally.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Rally. So most of the time we use Jira, but yeah, Rally is also one of the tool. Trello is also there. ServiceNow nowadays is popping up a lot. Anyways, so this is a Jira. Coding, how can we do that? So coding, we typically we do that through Git. Analyze we do through SonarQube. Just now we learned actually. Build we do through Maven, Gradle, MS Build, this that. JUnit. Packaging, let's say jar. Archiving we do through Artifactory, and deploy to queue and Ansible, and acceptance test we do through, let's say, what do you say, Selenium. And finally we do the Jacoco code coverage. So these are the things we do. So this I know that we all know that. So what is a CI? So guys, CI is this arrow. Yeah. CI is this arrow here between the processes, between the tools. That's called CI. So CI means automated build, no manual activity, automated testing. Yes. And this together This together, automated build, automated testing, and this is called immediate feedback. Immediate feedback, automated build, automated testing, and immediate feedback. This is called CI in short. In detail, all this process integrate, see here, continuously integrate all SDLC process, continuously integrate all teams, and continuously integrate all tools is called CI. That's all. Make sure immediate feedback should be for everything. Immediate feedback is very important. Feedback means I should know if something is gone wrong or right. Right is okay, wrong is important. So did you understand that? Okay, guys. So you all are clear. If anyone will ask you what is a CI, will you tell them like integrating everything, processes, teams, tools, automated way, continuously, and getting an immediate feedback for everything is called CI. We all understood, right?
Yes.
So now the question was not what is CI. The question was what is Jenkins then? Where's the Jenkins here? So guys, Jenkins is everywhere. So Jenkins is a one tool. Okay, see here. Jenkins is one tool which can integrate things. See here. Jenkins is a one tool which can integrate with Jira, Git, SonarQube, Maven, JUnit, Jar, Artifactory, Ansible, Selenium, and Jacoco and give you a single dashboard for everything. Don't you think so? Why you don't have to interact with so many tools? You just interact with the Jenkins and you get the dashboard. Here you have a scheduling capability, which you can schedule as per your wish. Here you can integrate with any tools actually integrate. Okay. And here you can get immediate feedback. Notifications we call it. Feedback means notification. So these four features, primarily features which we have, which is called dashboard, very rich dashboard. You can schedule so many ways we have available, so you can schedule, integrate with all the tools which ultimately integrate all the process and a team, and immediate feedback, and number of ways you can get the feedback. So this is in short Jenkins. That's the reason we call it Jenkins is a CI tool. So guys, all of you have understood why do we call a Jenkins as a CI tool? Everyone. Let's say if the something get failed, some of your operations, some of your jobs get failed. So you want to fail. So you want the email, but same time you want that email and then you want the ticket in Jira to be created. So how do you do that? Integration required, right?
Okay.
Correct. So it's a one cases. Now automation is not in a books. Automation is in your mind and experience, working experience with your system. So you have to find out what and all you can automate. I have only one rule for it. Whenever I feel repetition and whenever I feel irritation, then I think about automation is needed. Okay, so guys, this is a Jenkins. Now guys, these have a multiple releases actually. So one of the releases we have Jenkins. Okay, another one is Enterprise Jenkins. Okay, Now another is Jenkins X, Jenkins X, and Blue Ocean. Blue Ocean. Now all these are the variant of the Jenkins itself for the different scenarios. Okay, the one which I'm going to teach you is this one. Focus for this training. Why? Because this is open source, free, and most popular one. This is Jenkins, the one which I'm covering right now. Most popular. Now, guys, Jenkins is based on plugin concept. Based on plugins concept. Now, you know that the concept of plugins, like, see, now every tools we cannot have every features whatever you want it. It's not possible to develop also in one time. So every organization, they have laid out the plan for plugin concept. That means if you want certain features, uh, if you want certain features, then install plugins. If you don't install don't want that features, don't install the plugin. It's very simple. So based on the plugins concept, you can get it. So guys, Jenkins is the base tool. So if you want any features in Jenkins, install the plugins. Simple. If you don't want that feature, don't install the plugins. For everything, there are plugins available and things like that. Guys, this tool is written in Java. The moment I say Java, then many things get uh, taken to be granted. For example, the moment we say Java, Java is a platform independent. That means Jenkins also platform independent. Java is you can run on any platform. So Jenkins you can run on any platform. So like that. But same time you need a JVM, right? JRE, JVM, JDK, whatever it is. So these are the things. Which are the versions which is available right now? If I'm not wrong, I think 2.x 8, 9 or 10 or something like that. It is available. So that's a version which we have. Okay. So guys, this is the brief information about what is Jenkins and why do we need it. Now, next thing is, guys, here, next question is, okay, I don't like Jenkins. So what you like? So other tools. So what is the other tools, guys, here? So let's say if you don't like Jenkins, then we have a many options available, but in a paid category. Okay. One of the options which we have available, Team City, very popular though, Team City. Now, second option which we have available is Bamboo from Atlassian. You build from IBM also is one of the thing you can see. Travis CI also CI. Nowadays GitLab also has came in this domain, GitLab. So other tools like a Team City, Bamboo, you build, Travis CI, GitLab, everything, everyone has come into this domain. Okay, so many other tools are also there, but I'm not talking because we are focusing on Jenkins, and Jenkins, the one which we love, we all love. Okay, so guys, yes, what is Jenkins? We have understood. Why Jenkins? Because of integrating everything, process, teams, tools, immediate feedback, dashboard scheduling, and everything you wanted. Automation, you want to implement the DevOps. So we want to do CI first. So for that we use it. Okay, now the question is how to install it. How to install it? Simple. First you have to install Java, and then second you have to have a Jenkins. Now I'm going to install it. You don't have to install it, guys. You also only have to use it. So I'm going to show you how to install it. So look at my screen, all of you. This is the place where I have a Java already installed. Okay, already installed because of SonarQube. So what I'm going to do, I am going to stop this SonarQube. Stopped it. I don't need SonarQube now. Okay, I'll become a root here. And now, okay, I'm going to install Jenkins directly. Java is already done. Java 8 is supported though. Java 11 I got it, so that's not a problem. Now the question is how do I install it? So here tutorial Jenkins and here you get the installations documents. Here you can download Java, this, that, and all. You can do that. So here it is. So guys, this is the RHEL itself, this RHEL. But if you want to any platform, let's say Jenkins, download. Okay, just go ahead, click download and click here. And you see that the various version you have it. You can install through Docker, Debian, CentOS, Windows, SUSE, FreeBSD, Gentoo. All these packages you can download and install it. Right now I'm showing you the demo uh, in the CentOS. Okay, RHEL. Okay, so guys, these are the things you have to do. And finally, you have to do this one also. Install the Jenkins, very simple. Okay, and start, stop, and all stuff like that. So here, same command. If you click here, you will get it here also. So all this thing is possible. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to start this services. And finally, check the services. You see here. Wonderful, right? So here, this is the some of the stuff you have to check. Jenkins home, jar files, log, port number, debug, all these things. So good to go. So now this is the Jenkins installations, which you have done it. Now guys, how can we access the Jenkins? So basically you can access at the 8080 port. Okay, that's a default port on which Jenkins gets started. So here 8080 port. Here it is. See here. So they ask you to unlock the Jenkins. So for that, you have to more this key, you get it. And now guys, I said very clearly, Jenkins every features has come from plugin. It's a plugin based actually. So here you want to install the suggested plugin or you want to select the plugins to install. So if I select the plugin, it will be very complicated because we don't know which plugin you want now or later. And selecting itself is like a very complex process. So minimum plugin you should go for it, which is suggested plugin. After that, if you need additional plugin, you can go and get it, install it, more plugins. So now this plugins is being installed. OK, so
Yeah.
now I'm setting up the credentials for Jenkins. So DevOps password is DevOps123, DevOps123, name Rajesh Kumar, email address DevOpsSchool.com, and save and continue. Now this is the URL. That's OK. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So guys, this is the way we install the Jenkins. Now we are here on Jenkins. Now what to do? So what to do? So guys, this is the most important sessions which we are having now. This is the Jenkins. Let me tell you here, there's no widget sort of it. Yes, there is no widget. There is no something which is required. This is something optional. Everything is optional here in Jenkins. So what do you want to do? So guys, here you want to create a job. You want to create a job or you want to add an agent. Now the question is, what is agent? I don't know. So we'll learn in some time. Here you see new item. OK, and here we see software project. So Jenkins, I don't know why they are using different terminologies. Here when you say new item, you can create a job also. So job you can create through new item also. Here also we can call project also. So this is a common terminologies which we have. So item, job, project is the same keyword what we have in Jenkins. Okay, so any places you go, you can create a job itself, project itself. Okay, so understand this way. Now the question is, what is the concept called build agent, distributed build and stuff like that? So to understand that, we have to understand the architecture of Jenkins. Yes, architecture of Jenkins to understand that. So what is happening when you have Jenkins server have two part. One is like a dashboard. Okay, the one which you are seeing right now, this one, that is accessible on 88. Okay, that is accessible, and there is a one called agent. Okay, agent for build etc. Okay. So here, when you install the server, Jenkins server, you get both of these. Let me show you the example image for it. So that will be more better for you. So this is the Jenkins server. Okay, divided into two part, web agent. Okay, now we human connect to web part and configure the job. Do this, download this, upload this, remove this, build this, you did this, everything you do in the jobs. We call it step. Remember, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, dap, dap, dap. So we configure the job. Now this job has to be executed. This is a dashboard, right? So it has to be executed somewhere. So that is executing in the agent. So here, this agent by default, you got it along with the server. And this agent, we call it a mastered agent. Name itself is called as a master agent. So let me show you here. Go to the manage Jenkins. And here, if you see manage nodes and clouds, see your master agent. So that means if you set up a server, you get one agent also. The whatever you configure here, the build will happen here. But guys, sometimes what happens if you have too many jobs, so everything you cannot do in the same nodes. So for that, what we do, we distribute the load, all the loads in the different servers. So from here, we add another server. There's one more agent we added. This is agent itself. This is agent itself. This is agent itself. And now this is become distributed. So you have a web only one, but these jobs you can run in this, and this. And once the job is completed, feedback you will get it at back, and then you will see that everything. So this is called Jenkins distributed architecture. You all understood this one? You all understood?
Yes. Yes,
Guys,
Rajesh.
this, yeah, tell me. Hello.
Can you explain it one more time, please?
Yes,
Uh,
Rajesh.
so yeah. So here, this is you. Okay. This is you. This is you. Now, what you did, you configure the project through website, the one which is I was showing you here, job. And in the job, you said do this, do that, and stuff like that. So this job is configured in the web. So where this will be executed? So this will be executed in the same machine, which is also acting like an agent, which is called master agent. But the sometime what happens, the availability of this agent for the other jobs you may not be having. So in that case, we add this some other machines also. Okay, this is called also agent. This is also called agent, but it's located in the different machines. One you get in the same machine, same server. Other agent will have in the different machines. Did you understand? So guys, this can be Windows, this can be Linux also, any platform. Now, this can be container, this can be VM, and this can be physical machines also. So all this thing is possible. You understand now? Okay. So guys, here, this is the architecture. So now what do you want to do? So of course we have come to automate our job. So guys, because I said here nothing is required and nothing is optional. Nothing is required. Everything is optional. So how do you set up my job? How do I set up my job? So guys, I'll share with you my secret formula to set up your first job. After that, you don't need this secret formula. Okay. So what is the secret formula? So there are some questions which you have to ask yourself while coming to Jenkins and set up a job. What are the questions you have to ask yourself? Let me ask myself also. What is your technology? So when I say technology means Java, .NET, Python, Ruby, this, that, what? Here you have to tell version. Which version? Which technology? Java 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What exactly? And installed or not? Installed in agent or not? Remember, everything will be done. I just now explained. Everything will be done by in the agent here, like a build, compile, testing, deployment. Everything will be done in the agent. So these tools has to be here, right? Build environment should be here. Test environment should be here. Deployment environment should be here. So you have to make sure that the environment should be here. So what is your technology? Which version? And is agent or not? Second question you have to ask, where is the source code? Where is the source code? Okay, this is the second question. So when we say where is the source code, that means guys, it can be anywhere. It can be in Git, it can be in Perforce, it can be in TFS, it can be in SVN, it can be in anything. It can be anywhere. I don't know. Access. Do you have user path, branch, path, username, password? Do you have it? Because the access you need, right, to download the source code, branch you need to work with that right source code, right? Where's the source code? So guys, if you decide where is a technology, what is your technology and what is your source code, then third question which you have asked, and third questions which you have, okay, tools is installed in agent or not? Okay, so this is the questions also. The tool Git should be installed, then only you can clone it, right? System will clone it. Now question number third, when you want this build to be triggered, okay, when you want daily, hourly, what exactly? Hourly or something, daily, you can have a cron. Guys, here we have so many options. Here we have so many options. One options you have to select. Okay, I'm not complicating in one go itself. So many options, but I want to this job to be trigger at hourly basis. Okay, this is a question number third. Fourth, what is your builder? Guys, builder means, anyone have idea? Builder means? Guys, anyone have idea? Builder means?
Like Ant build or Maven build, something like that.
Yeah, correct. Maven, Gradle, MS build, Bash script.
Please enroll our general membership for $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $3.99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.